Hi gardening spirit boosters, welcome to the channel. I hope that my balcony gardening will inspire you to want to garden too. Guys, this is the lemon tree that I'm growing. It's getting pretty tall. It's doing all right. It's loving all the rain. It's beautiful. Now let's see what everything else is doing. Here are those, oh, I got too much stuff over here. They got the bean pods I put out here. I told you guys I was taking outside. I guess it's beans. What y'all think now? Do they look like bean leaves? And it's also some bell pepper in this pot. This is the pot with the, what you guys call it? The morning glory. They closed up. They look like this now. What are those? Are those new flowers getting ready to come? Or are they just closed up for good? Let me know. There's some watch tail in here. Watch chain, excuse me. And the bell pepper, I believe. Bell pepper growing up in here. And here's another big bell pepper plant. Oh, I gotta move this out of the way. My neck. This one is pretty tall. So y'all can see, this is a pepper plant. Hopefully it gets some pepper soon. We're supposed to get some more rain out here in California. Ooh, I see a big old weed. Oh my goodness. Let me get that out of. Is that a weed? Oh Lord, let me show y'all. Do y'all see it? That thing is a monster. Get out of here. Okay, back to update. Well, everything is looking green since all this rain. We're supposed to be getting some more rain next week, the weekend. Look, flowers coming on this. First time ever seen little flowers coming on this jade. My green onion plant. Big old stock. See it? I'm bunched up, y'all. There go my pretty plant right there. I like this Rosetta plant right there. It's gorgeous. You guys have one of these? I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna cut down here is starfish Santa-Vera. And here's another one. It's pretty big. Oh, this is all my rainwater. Look at that big old tub of it. Y'all seeing this soap? Y'all know this is how big this bucket is. Ooh, let me show y'all some. I think over here is pepper plants too. My creeping Charlie still doing good. I repotted this. Sorry for the fast movement. I repotted that. Oh, I forgot the name of it. Y'all know the name? Tell me so. My succulent. What do you call it? I don't know why I can't never remember that word. Look at the ecosystem. The spider web. Okay, you guys. Look at my burrow's tail. It's gotten big again. It's a watch chain on the back of it. Oh, my elephant bush. Let me show y'all my this is where I repotted the little dang, I forgot the name of this plant, but this is the mama. And here go the babies. This one, right? Oh goodness. So this is one baby, another baby, 3 babies. Oh, my back is hurting. I'm gonna be getting these pollen seeds out of the sunflower seed in a minute. Oh look, here goes some of my sprouted seeds. my flower seeds. I'm gonna put them in a bigger container when they get a little bigger. For now, they just gonna stay in the cut. My cactus, I'm gonna put that cactus in a bigger pot too. This is one of my new plants. It's doing all right. I got these flowers, seeds are growing. And these down here, it rained pretty hard the other day. This the dragon tails. All this, when they get bigger, I'm putting them in a bigger pot. Okay, I ain't keeping y'all long. Y'all think this plant right here is a weed? What y'all think? Am I growing a big giant weed, or is this gonna be a flower plant? I don't know. Okay, that's enough. I'm about to call it quits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, passing-bys, looky-loos, trolleys, visitors, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, tell me what number you are, hit the notification bell if you want to know what's going on a regular basis, and invite me to your channel. Bye. Thanks a lot. Happy gardening. Thanks for your time and support.